you've been dreaming of living in the famed G-line at the Royal Buckingham, your wait is over. Spanning over 2,200 square feet on the most coveted southeast corner of the building, this home has been meticulously renovated with the utmost attention to every detail. Exquisite materials, architectural lighting, expert craftsmanship. You've got to come see this one in person to truly appreciate it. This is Residence 6G. I'm Nelson Chen. You know how to find us. Give us a call to come check it out. And until then, take a look around.